G'day, Ninja and Matty here.
Yo!
Like and subscribe, share with your friends, look at the links below. You might want to do one of our courses. Put that in before we go.
They're definitely engaged in this video.
Yeah, there you go. We often forget, so we won't forget this time. It's already done. We are going to treat Matty's pec. He's got big pecs and they're a little bit sore. So tell us a bit about them, mate. What's going on with the pecs?
Well, my name is Matty. I've got big pecs and they're really sore. I've been treating and then when you treat your elbows like this and your pec gets squashed, it feels like it's...
You're squashing your own pec, mate.
Yeah, sure.
Pec, mate.
Anyway, I feel like it's been close to cramping yesterday.
Yeah.
And you asked this morning, is there anything that's sore? I reckon this one.
Yeah. Let's work it. I'm going to pin it for a start, try and be broad.
Oh, where's my mic, by the way? Is it? Yeah,
yeah, just there, man.
Oh, sick.
You're looking good.
Yep, got my hat on.
Yeah, like the hat, bro.
Yeah. Where's your hat? Be careful of the sun, mate. It's dangerous.
Nah, mate. I've got getting tan. I'm the old Uncle Fred.
Controversial sunscreen. You put sunscreen on, you gotta get cancer.
I think we're taken out of context. Talking about toxins.
Yeah.
Never
clear it
good,
up.
you know. Yeah, we just sort of said if you wouldn't put it in your mouth, don't put it on your skin, because your skin, largest organ, it kind of eats things, you know, whatever it might be, whether it's creams or sprays or whatever, you know. A lot of things that we're putting on our skin are poisons, whether perfumes and hairsprays and different things like that. So it's just trying to make people conscious, aware that maybe you can consider a different choice of deodorant or something to...
Man, when people wear those really like strong perfumes or colognes, whatever, mate, gosh, it just stinks up like a massive radius around him.
Yeah.
And it's so strong.
Yeah. Unnatural a lot of times, isn't it? So...
Yeah. It's just... I can't stand it.
Yeah. Gives you a headache.
Yeah, it gives me a headache.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wear that kind of stuff, but more natural ones, yeah.
Yeah. Be a hippie.
Be a hippie. It's good for you.
Yeah. Essential oils and things like that. You gotta fly.
Oh. I was like,
I know. Aaron's over there laughing at himself. He's proud of his work.
Oh, no. Peanut gallery.
Oof. Just what he gets up to at home. Increase his testosterone by 200%.
What do they call it? Gazing?
Gazing. Ball gazing.
No, perineum gazing.
Perineum.
Perineum.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, just working on Matty's sore spot. He directed me to the spot. So in here, so I'm just pinning it. Loving this sun.
Yeah, it's definitely some strong sun today.
Yeah, good. Nice Friday afternoon here in Melbourne, and
yeah, public holiday.
Public holiday. Got the
for our footy.
Yeah, everyone likes for AFL football, Aussie rules game. People have a public holiday for a game. It doesn't make any sense. It's just distraction.
It's just a bunch of fucking cunts kicking a ball. Sorry. Cut that out, Leo.
Don't have to, bro.
Yeah. Getting through there. That's on your spot? Yeah.
Spicy.
Did you want to do any kind of arm movement or anything like that?
Oh, I don't think I can.
You can't? No, it just needs to be pinned.
Yeah.
Pinning is good.
Yeah, pinning is good.
Yeah.
Oof.
So how's it feeling? You can kind of describe what it feels like when you first go into a new area on your pec.
Yeah, I just feel like it's getting to the source.
Source of your suffering, young Matthew.
Yeah, I knew you were going to say that.
Nice. Can you see that, Leo?
Ah!
It's a constant reminder. Buddha, he taught me.
Oh, shivers.
Back in the day. The original Bodyworker. He said, Ninja, remember this, son. Attachment is a source of suffering.
Ah! What are you? Fuck!
Yeah.
Oh, the wind. Oh, this is good.
Nice breeze.
Oh, Leo tapping the dad bod right now.
Yeah.
You can hear that? Is the mic picking up on that?
no, he says. And what are you, and you're kind of grabbing it like that too.
Yeah, I just thought sometimes that.
Yeah, you want to just grab it and you can move. Is that good?
Yeah, that is good. Yo.
Just grabbing that pec, give it a good squeeze exactly where it needs it. I can kind of do a little bit of frictioning and I can feel exactly the spots.
Give that pec a good squeeze.
Feels a bit tight.
Yeah.
Tight. Oh yeah. Tight.
Toy.
So you've been training a fair bit lately. Leo's telling me, Matty, you're gonna go in the
What have you been saying, Leo?
Ninja Warrior comp. It's coming up.
I'll be testing for that one.
Yeah.
Not competing.
You're not competing.
Nah, because they're dogs.
Dogs.
They're just.
You don't want to win.
The rules are always so lame. Just
Lame.
Oh, you touched one red mat. Oh, sorry guys, DQ. What? I just paid $50 for this competition.
Yeah.
So,
You just want to come up with a $50, do you? Is that what it is?
Nah, it's just bullshit.
Maybe we
rules.
should be turning you over and I'll massage your glutes.
Wait, what's just happened?
You're a tight ass.
So then I've gone, screw it. I actually don't care about this thing anyway.
Yeah.
But I'll test. Yeah.
You should fall in water or something and then you're disqualified.
Yeah, that's what the show does.
Yeah.
Gotta make it realistic. Come on.
Yeah. How's that feeling?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels like I'm flossing
Flossing?
in the area. Oh, was that Whole Foods? I could have got on sunscreen. Damn it.
No, should have went down the sunscreen aisle, mate. Had a
Yeah.
look. See if there's anyone in there that are edible.
Yeah.
Sunscreens I'm talking about, bro.
Yeah, I got confused there. He said anyone, didn't he? I was like, hey,
Anyone in there that's edible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
Alright.
I was talking about sunscreens, not humans. Not
You
humans.
said, alright. Cool. Anyway, some zinky sunscreens, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Oof.
Bit of coconut oil base.
Yeah, well, coconut oil I find it's not that strong.
Yeah. It can be the base of it, you know. It doesn't have to be some petroleum base, does it?
Yeah. But yeah, overall, when it's starting to get hotter, you just get that morning sun and then your skin gets stronger because of the red light.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You got a red light at home, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got a red light, but it's pretty intense.
Yeah.
I think Aaron does it better where he just kind of has it in the room and he does his
Yeah.
nightly routine. Is that right, Aaron?
Yep.
Yeah. But is it bad for your eyes? No. Alright.
It's good for it.
Good for him.
Because when you buy the light, it comes with these goggles as if it's dangerous.
Oh, you might have a strong one.
Maybe. So yeah, no, red light's a good way to build the tolerance up.
Yeah.
When you're in Melbourne, the sun just comes out of nowhere sometimes and it can be a bit of a shock for your skin.
Alright.
But do your own research, disclaimer.
Dosage is the key, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all that
With
getting a good
anything.
dose. With anything.
Yeah. How's it feeling? See Matty's doing a bit of intuitive movement while I'm pinning the spot. So he's using me as a massage tool, and so we can kind of get slightly different aspects of that same knot when it's the arms in a different angle. So the different parts of that pec will be activating or stretching like it is here.
Yeah.
So we can kind of work together. I'm gonna grab down here a bit and yeah, get him
Don't get too
Get
close
him going.
to the pit, Leo, or
to
then
the Bradley.
there'll be some weird comments. No.
Alright, I think I'm nearly done.
Yeah.
How's it feel? Yeah,
Yeah.
sink out. Get a close up of the sink out.
Oof.
It's in a long way.
Cool.
Oh, you're fixed.
Whoa. I'll be
How's
treated
that arm now? That pec. Good to go. You'll be good tonight, Matty. You'll
for a good crank.
Yeah.
No, I actually cut that. All right, great. That's a great way to fucking fuck this video up.
Nah, we're good.
All right.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a supporter of ours. We really appreciate it. So yeah, get out in the sun.
What a video. All right.